Hello, my name is Matt. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to add adaptive icons to your Android project for Ionic. So quickly, let's take a look at what adaptive icons are. So basically, the new way to do icons, you provide two layers, a foreground layer with transparency and a background layer. And then the launcher masks it in whatever way it wants. This also allows for kind of animations because the background and foreground can move independently, which is quite cool. So how do we do it? Firstly, we're going to need a background and a foreground image. So I've made mine here. So that's my background, a foreground with transparency. So well, those are the SVGs, but PNG versions here. I think you can actually use SVGs, but I'll be using the PNGs. So you grab those and then you paste them in. So this is the root of the Ionic project in your resources. So this here is the normal icon, which when you run the generation command creates the iOS and Android assets. If you go into Android and just paste them in the top here, not inside icon, but the root here. So Slime Factory resources Android. And then what you want to do is run the generation command. Some caveats: you will need cutover Android higher than version 8 and the CLI higher than version 5, I believe. And then all you need to do is come here and run Ionic cutover resources Android, and that will take that background and foreground PNG and generate you versions for different DPI screens. So if we have a look at that now, you can see here that it's changed the config XML to include these and added all of these. So if we take a look here, here you go, it's added these lines in here. Cool. So why do you want to do this? Basically, so you don't end up with this. So this is a shot of the emulator on Pixel phones and certain launchers. Non-adaptive icons will just be put in a circle like this, which looks pretty poor. And this is what you'll end up with, which looks a lot nicer. If you want to kind of work out what it might look like at different sizes and different shapes, you've got Android Studio installed. You can go start just a blank project, running project, go to resources, and then go new, and then image asset, and then you can provide background and foreground here and take a look. So if I go open, thinking about it, there we go. One tip on Mac: rather than having to navigate through everywhere to try and find the thing, if you just drag and drop, like this is the foreground and the background we need. I think it's foreground. So if you just drag and drop like this, it'll open the folder that you've dragged and dropped. So you can just do that. Cool. And then same for the background layer. Bring back Finder, background, background, background. Cool. So that gives you some examples there of what it's going to look like in different shapes. So that's cool. I hope that was helpful. Any questions, leave a comment. Bye.